In this video, we're going to walk through the steps of how to remove objects from your database. So in order to remove objects, you use the drop syntax. So you say drop the object, and then if it exists is optional. It will skip over this statement if the object does not exist, if you include the if exist. Otherwise, it would throw an error saying that the object does not exist if it doesn't. So we say drop object and the name of the object. Additionally, we can drop multiple objects at the same time. We can say drop object and then just have a comma separated list of all the objects we want to drop. So if I wanted to remove the order line table from the database, I would say drop table order line. I'd say drop table order line. Additionally, if I wanted to remove multiple tables, such as the customer order and product tables, I could say drop table if exists, product order and customer. Be cautious when you're dropping your tables. You need to drop them with those that have foreign keys first before you can remove the tables with primary keys. So for example, if as you can see here on this last query, it says drop table if exists and it drops order before customer, and that's because order references customer. So now what I want you to do is remove the 3 tables that I asked you to create in your database. So try this on your own, pause this video, and then come back to compare your answers. All right, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and drop those 3 tables. So we say drop table employee, drop table certificate, and drop table course. Now, if I were to run this like this, it would fail because if we come over here and look at the ERD, we see that certificate references both course and employee. So certificate needs to be dropped first. Additionally, rather than running this as multiple statements, I prefer to just use them in one statement. So I'm going to say drop table certificate employee and course. I'll go ahead and run this and it will get rid of all 3 of those tables, and you see that we no longer have any tables in our database and the ERD tab has disappeared because of the absence of tables.